All right. Now we're doing freeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, intermediate algorithm scripting, everything be true. All right. So now we're going to check if the predicate, the second argument, so this thing right here, is truthy on all elements of a collection, the first argument, right? So this one right here. In other words, we're given an array collection of objects. So yeah, we're going to be given this. Here's the first object. Here's the second one. And here's the third one, believe it or not. All right. And then this is the predicate right here. So the predicate pre will be an object property, and we need to return true if its value is truthy. Otherwise, we'll return false. All right. So if this thing, if object.this is false, like in this case, it's going to be false. We don't even need to check the other ones, right? So in JavaScript, truthy values are values that translate to true when evaluated in a Boolean context. All right. We knew that. And we're going to remember that we can access object properties through either dot notation or bracket notation. All right. So we knew that also. So we're good to go on this one. What we're going to do here is we're going to do the every method, and we're going to check each one of these objects to see if it has if the object at this is true or false, right? And so this one will definitely be false. So if you forgot the every method, because it's been a little while, it tests whether all elements in the array pass the test implemented by the provided function and returns a Boolean value, right? So the syntax is going to be every, whatever dot every, and then we're going to say callback function inside of that. So what we're going to do here is we're going to say something like this. We're going to say let is true equal collection dot every, and then for the callback function, what we're going to say is elements, and then we'll do this, and we'll say what are we going to say? We'll say element, not element, it's an object. I mean, it's the same thing, but whatever. Object, and then we'll say right here object at pre. All right. So we're just going to see if object at pre, so this object at pre, right, is true, and this one's false. And since it's every, it's this whole thing's this whole, what is it, function call is going to be false. So let's come down here and prove it by saying console.log is true. Not that, yeah, that, and we can see false right here. So let's change these to truthy stuff. So let's say is bot 6 is bot 5. Now it's true. So we do know it works, right? So let's get this and let's say return is true like that. Let's wrap this up in parentheses. Say console.log in front of it, console.log, and we see true just like we expect. All right. So let's run the test. Looks good, and submit it. All right. So now we're on to arguments optional, and we'll see you next time.